In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload videos and images to Google Flow. So we are in our project right here. This is very simple to do. If you just look at the little plus button up here, you want to click that, go Upload Media, and select the file that you want. So there's our video here, that's my tutorial from yesterday, and we'll just pick an image too. So you can do a couple at a time and we'll just upload those. Agree that you have the rights to use this video, so just read through this, and if you agree then just say I agree, or you can have I agree, do not show this again if you don't want this pop up again. So it actually looks like it will only upload one at a time. Maybe because I also chose the video, so two different formats. So I'm just going to go and upload the video again. So the image has already loaded, so just click that plus button and we will upload the video. And when you upload the video, it will ask you if you want to trim it down. I'm going to trim it all the way down just so it's faster to upload, but you can keep it at its full length if you wish. So trim and upload. So here, while that's loading, here we've got our image that we've uploaded, and we can easily add it to our prompt box for when we want to create a new video or image. So I'm just going to go add to prompt, and then we can type in our prompts in this prompt box just down here. And as you can see, the video has loaded as well. And it would just be the same, so we can just add it to our prompt.